Hello everyone, welcome to a series I'm starting called Relax in Reno Tahoe. This is a series where I showcase my favorite spots in the Reno Tahoe area. Welcome to episode number 1. This is my home mountain, Mount Rose. Let's get it. Let's go! Welcome to Mount Rose. This local ski resort, located 20 minutes from South Reno, offers some of the best snow in northern Nevada. The main side of the mountain has 2 lifts. The Wizard lift provides access to beginner terrain. The Northwest lift provides access to the summit, where riders can ride green, blue, and black terrain. The slide side of the mountain is serviced by the Zephyr lift. This provides access to intermediate riding in the form of blue and black terrain. If you hit Rose on a weekday, it's not uncommon to find minimal lines at the main lifts. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are here at Mount Rose with Nico.
Woo!
Nico's here for today and we're joined with Ari.
Hello!
And we're going to show him the mountain.
Let's go!
Let's go! Hopping off the Northwest lift, you'll be met with views of Reno below. Taking the traverse and keeping left will lead you to the easiest way down. This is a green trail called Around the World. The mountain's proximity to Reno allows for easy access during powder days. These are first tracks on the Blue Run, Kit Carson. Oh, butter! Yeah! Oh, Stefan! Oh, let's go! Powder day! Let's go! Oh my gosh, first tracks, powder day, February. All right, Stefan, drop in. Go on the right, go on the right! Wow! Wow! Oh! Yes! Yes! In contrast to the epic powder days, Mount Rose's elevation allows for excellent spring skiing conditions. This is the Blue Run Bonanza on the slide side of the mountain. With the season coming to an end, it'll soon be time to transition to summer activities in Tahoe. Thanks for watching.